For our Android 11 head unit, you need set up the Canbus according to the car model. Let us show you how to set that. First you need choose setting, then choose factory, enter the password 3368 confirm. Then choose car model. Our Canbus decoder is RAISE, so for the Canbus type, please choose RZC. For the car brand and car model, you need choose according to your car. If you really cannot find the model of our car on the list, you can also try to choose PQ. If your car is low profile, you can choose low. If your car is high spec model, please choose HM. If you really cannot make sure whether your car is a high spec model, you can simply judge by whether your car has multifunction steering wheel and automatic air conditioner. Please note, if you choose our Android 11 head unit, you must set the Canbus. If not, maybe your multifunction steering wheel or automatic air conditioner cannot work. If you need any help, please be free to contact us.